If you've ever said, I can able to speak English and wondered why it sounds wrong, today's episode will fix that completely because we're covering can, could, may, and might.
Exactly. Day 8, and we're starting week 2 with modals. Let's set the scene. We're at a shopping mall today. So tell me, can you speak Spanish?
No, I can't speak Spanish, but I can speak Hindi and English.
I can speak. I can't speak. That's can, showing present ability, something you're capable of doing right now.
Right. And when I was a child, I could swim really well.
I could swim. That's could, showing past ability, something you were capable of doing before, but maybe not anymore.
Exactly. Can for present ability, could for past ability. Here's a common mistake though. Some people say, I can able to do this, which is completely wrong.
Oh, why is that wrong?
Because can already means able to. Adding able to after it is repeating the same meaning twice. We simply say, I can do this. Or if you want to emphasize ability specifically, I'm able to do this. Never both together.
That's such a common mistake. I've heard so many people say that.
Exactly, and it's one of the clearest markers of a beginner speaker. So this is worth remembering carefully. Let's continue with negative and question forms. Negative for can is cannot or can't. I cannot swim. I can't drive.
And questions?
Just move can to the front. Can you swim? Can you drive?
What about could in questions? Is it only for past ability?
Good question. Actually, could has another very common use. Polite requests. Could you help me with this bag? Sounds more polite than, can you help me with this bag?
Oh, so could isn't only past tense, it's also used for politeness in the present.
Exactly. This trips up a lot of learners. Could for past ability. I could run fast as a child. Could for polite requests. Could you pass me that bag? Context tells you which meaning is being used.
That's a really important distinction. Let's move to shopping now. Excuse me, may I try this shirt?
May I try this shirt? That's may, used for asking permission politely. Very common in formal or polite situations, like talking to a shopkeeper or a stranger.
So may is more formal than can for permission?
Exactly right. Can I try this is casual, fine with friends or family. May I try this is more polite and formal, better with strangers, shopkeepers, or in professional situations.
That's useful to know for real-life shopping conversations. What about might?
Might is used for possibility, something that could happen but you're not sure. Like, I might buy this shirt, I'm still deciding.
So it's different than may then?
Yes, this is where a lot of confusion happens. May can mean both permission and possibility. You may leave now is permission. It may rain today is possibility. But might is only used for possibility, never permission. And it shows a slightly lower level of certainty than may.
Oh, so it may rain sounds a bit more likely than it might rain.
Exactly. Subtle difference, but real. May suggests a fairly reasonable chance. Might suggests it's less certain, more uncertain.
Let me try. I might go to the market later. I haven't decided yet.
Perfect example. Shows genuine uncertainty.
What about negative forms for may and might?
May not and might not. It may not rain today. I might not buy this shirt. We don't shorten these to mayn't or might in normal speech, unlike can't or won't.
Good to know. That would sound strange otherwise. And questions with may or might?
May is used in questions for permission. May I come in? But might is rarely used to start a question directly. It sounds unnatural. Instead, we usually ask, do you think it might rain?
Oh, that's a subtle but important detail. Let's practice this shopping scenario properly. Excuse me, can I see that jacket, please?
Sure, here you go. It might be a bit expensive though. The store just increased prices.
That's okay. I can afford it if it's good quality. May I try it on?
Of course, the trial room is right there. You could also check the blue one. It looks similar but might be cheaper.
That's a great use. Could as a polite suggestion here, not past ability or a request. You could check the blue one means it's a friendly recommendation.
Exactly, another use of could, suggestions. So we now have can, could, may, and might, each with multiple uses depending on context. This is exactly why modals feel tricky at first. One word can mean different things.
That's true, but I think listing them out clearly like this really helps. Let's move to our practice round.
Let's go. Sentence 1. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ?
May I come in?
Perfect. Sentence 2. मैं तेज दौड़ सकता हूँ.
I can run fast.
Great. Sentence 3. बचपन में मैं अच्छी तरह तैर सकता था.
As a child, I could swim well.
Excellent. Sentence 4. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो, please?
Could you help me, please?
Perfect. Now sentence 5. मैं ये कर सकता हूँ करने के लिए.
I can able to do this.
That's exactly the mistake we discussed earlier. Can already means able to, so we never combine both. The correct sentence is simply, I can do this.
Right, that repeated meaning mistake. Good reminder. Sentence 6. शायद बारिश हो, पक्का नहीं है.
It might rain. I'm not sure.
Perfect. Sentence 7. क्या मैं ये shirt try कर सकता हूँ?
May I try this shirt? Great. Sentence 8. वो late हो सकता है. Traffic बहुत है.
He may be late. There's a lot of traffic.
Perfect. Sentence 9. मैं तैर नहीं सकता.
I cannot swim.
Excellent. Sentence 10. शायद मैं market जाऊंगा. अभी decide नहीं किया.
I might not go to the market. Haven't decided yet.
Close, but we don't normally shorten might to mightn't in everyday speech, unlike can't. It should be, I might not go to the market, haven't decided yet.
Oh, right. Mightn't sounds unnatural. Better to just say might not fully.
Exactly. Good catch. Sentence 11. तुम नीली shirt भी check कर सकते हो.
You could check the blue shirt too.
Perfect. Nice use of could as a suggestion. Sentence 12. क्या मैं जा सकता हूँ?
Can I go?
Great. Sentence 13. वो बहुत महंगा हो सकता है.
It may be very expensive.
Perfect. Sentence 14. मैं गाड़ी नहीं चला सकता.
I cannot drive.
Excellent. Sentence 15. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ, sir?
Can I come in, sir?
Actually, since this is addressing someone formally, sir, a more polite and appropriate choice here would be may, not can. The better sentence is, may I come in, sir?
Right. Formal situations call for may. Casual ones can use can. I need to match the tone properly.
Exactly. Context really matters with modals. Sentence 16. वो French बोल सकती है.
She can speak French.
Perfect. Sentence 17. शायद वो नहीं आए. पक्का नहीं है.
They might not come, not sure.
Great. Sentence 18. क्या तुम मुझे ये बैग दिखा सकते हो?
Could you show me this bag?
Perfect. Sentence 19. मैं बचपन में पियानो बजा सकता था.
I could play the piano as a child.
Excellent. And our last one, sentence 20. शायद बारिश हो, लेकिन मैं पक्का बोल सकता हूँ.
It can rain, but I am sure.
This one has two issues. First, can rain should be may rain or might rain for possibility. Can is for ability, not weather predictions. And I am sure contradicts saying shayad, which means uncertain. The natural correction is, it might rain. I'm not completely sure.
Right. Can doesn't fit possibility about weather at all. That's purely may or might territory.
Exactly. 20 sentences done, and this round really tested the difference between all four modals.
Definitely. This was probably the trickiest practice round so far, since these words overlap in meaning sometimes.
Let's recap everything from today.
Sure. Can is used for present ability, casual permission, and casual requests. I can swim. Can I go? Negative, cannot or can't. Questions, move can to the front.
Could is used for past ability and polite requests or suggestions. I could swim as a child. Could you help me? It sounds more polite than can in requests.
May is used for formal permission and possibility. May I come in? It may rain. More formal than can and shows a reasonably likely chance when used for possibility
Might is used only for possibility, never permission, and it shows lower certainty than may. It might rain. I might go later. We don't shorten might to mightn't in everyday speech.
And the biggest mistake to avoid, never say can able to, since can already means able to on its own.
Now it's your turn to practice. In the comments below, write 2 sentences. First, using can or could for ability. Second, using may or might for possibility.
We'll be reading your comments, so go ahead and write below. Modals take practice, since one word often means multiple uses, so don't worry if it feels confusing at first.
That's it for day 8. Tomorrow, we're covering should and must, how to give advice and talk about obligations.
So stay subscribed, keep your notifications on, don't miss tomorrow's episode.
See you tomorrow, guys.
Keep practicing, keep speaking. Bye for now.